If you have problems with the Bluetooth not working properly on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings and let's open Bluetooth. So in this case, what we can do is we can turn off Bluetooth and then turn off our Bluetooth device. We're gonna turn Bluetooth on back again and turn our Bluetooth device back again as well. And in this case, if you have been connected to the device before, then you might be able to reconnect quite easily. In some other cases, you might need to unpair the device, so you can tap on this arrow on the right side and choose unpair. And then of course, after that, we need to pair our device again. So I'm gonna turn off the Bluetooth device again and turn it back on. And if possible, put it into the pairing mode. If not possible, if you cannot really put your device into the pairing mode, then just make sure that it is not connected to anything else, to any other device. Over here, where we have available devices, on the right side we have refresh button that appears after a couple of seconds, which you might need to use in order to find your Bluetooth device, and then try to pair again. Now, besides that, if this doesn't work, if you still cannot, for example, find your Bluetooth device, or if you cannot connect properly, then in this case, you might need to perform a factory reset of your Bluetooth device. And unfortunately, I can't really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device, because every Bluetooth device has its own way to factory reset the Bluetooth device. So in this case, you most likely want to check the user manual of the device. And let me also check additional settings if there is something in here that we should check, but it seems that no, there's actually nothing in here that is worth mentioning really. So if you did all of these steps and you still cannot use Bluetooth properly, there's one more thing that we can do. We're gonna go back to settings, and this time we're gonna choose more connectivity options. In here we have reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, we cannot separate these three things. So if you reset Bluetooth settings, you will also reset mobile data and Wi-Fi, which also means that you will have to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks, for example. So once you reset these settings, you want to go back to Bluetooth and of course try to pair your Bluetooth device again, because every Bluetooth device that was saved over here, it will be just simply erased because of the reset of these settings. And hopefully this time the Bluetooth device will work just fine. Last thing that you can also do is simply restart or reboot your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot helps as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.